Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin immediately by verifying inventory features are active. This ensures stock journals appear. Once done, open Gateway of Tally, choose Inventory Vouchers, then select Stock Journal. Make sure you have created stock items, go-downs, and necessary ledgers because the journal will pull those, otherwise entries will error. Enter the voucher date and voucher number if not auto-assigned. You will see from and to go-down fields. Prepare the quantities and rates you will transfer so data entry flows without interruption. You now focus on the detailed execution. Select the from go-down, then the to go-down, and enter item, quantity, and unit precisely. If you use batch or serial numbers, include them to maintain traceability, otherwise skip. Enter the rate if you must adjust stock valuation. If not, leave rate as 0 and let averages update. Use narration and reference fields for audit clarity. After each line, press Enter to validate and watch Tally compute closing balances. This confirms your transfer logic is you complete the task by accepting the voucher to commit the transfer and then immediately check stock summary to confirm balances updated. If you find a missing ledger or item mid-entry, you can press Alt+C to create it on the fly. This keeps you moving. If totals don't match, make sure voucher date, go-down balances, and rates are correct. Errors usually come from wrong go-down selection or negative stock restrictions. Finally, save and run a stock valuation report to verify final numbers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.